I'm here with Francine, and we're digging some sand shrimp.
Yeah, it's maybe, I don't know, 5th, 6th, 7th.
Francine's got her.
2013.
Francine's got her.
Got my gun.
Her clam gun, which we're using for shrimp.
Got my shrimp, and I got my sand shrimp.
Those are the sand shrimp.
Yeah, they're like miniature.
What you got there?
What are they called? Miniature
Shrimp. Crawfish.
Bigger than that.
They're like crawfish.
What's bigger than that?
Lobsters.
Lobster. Like miniature lobster.
Okay, let's see a dig
Oh,
one,
look
friend.
at this one. Come here. Look at this one.
Let's see, having babies. Oh yeah, it's all full of rolls. See all that?
Look at that.
That's all eggs. We use these for bait.
Nice.
Perch love them. Okay, Francine, let's see how you dig them.
Okay. Well, take your gun, find a hole, put it in the hole, all the way down. Put your finger on the air hole. Yeah, I got some worms.
You get any?
Nah. Not there.
All right, try another one. Try another one. I want to see you get one. See him. Oh yeah, that's a big one.
It's only got one big pincher, one little pincher.
That's all they have is